The rashers have been pre-cooked.
Here we are.
There we go. So,
Streaky bacon, the best to use.
streaky bacon, yes. So once that takes a bit of colour, you put your rasher in.
The rasher in. You can pour more mix on top, but I just let it cook a little bit, then just flip it over like that.
Look at that. A pocket of beautifulness.
And this is something that I'm sure everyone will enjoy. Very tasty.
Yes.
Speak to Jack.
Yes. We had them at Flanagan's a while back with Johnny, Jack, Lindsay, myself, and I think Steve Davis popped over to say good day as well. And there we go. You flip it over. Starts to get that nice colour.
Oh, smells great.
Yes.
Tastes great.
We have the maple syrup ready.
You can stick maple syrup on top, a little bit of cinnamon, maybe a bit of lemon juice.
Nice.
And I think she's ready.
Yes.
I'll stick her over here.
Put it on the plate.
And get another one going.
Very nice. Excellent. Look at that.
A little bit more spray here.
A little spray. Batter. The bacon. Plonk it in the centre. Depending on the heat of the pan, it won't take long to dry out and cook. Fold him over.
See it fold over a little bit. Gonna taste really good.
Yes, it's got a bit of colour, that one. It's
A couple of these with some coffee.
Yep. We've got the brew on the go somewhere.
One minute there while I just skip this off.
And there you have it.
Oh,
The rasher pancake covered breakfast. Thank you, Lindsay. Cheers, guys. We'll
Cheers,
catch you
guys.
on the next video.